There is an invisible door in every home, a quiet, powerful threshold between the ordinary and the exceptional. It is not made of hinges or knobs, but of feeling, atmosphere, and presence. And it opens wide when we step into the world of warm, rich textures and versatile finishes that define modern interior decor. These elements, when harmonized with intent, transform our living spaces into sanctuaries of emotion, reflection, and function. At the heart of this transformation lies one timeless ingredient: charm. Not the fleeting kind found in trend cycles or superficial embellishments, but a deeper, enduring charm, a whisper of warmth that permeates every room, every surface, and every glance. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of invisible door design ideas to transform every living space in modern interior decor preference. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In the context of modern interior design, texture and finish are more than just visual components. They are sensorial languages. A room may be seen, but it is also felt. The tactile sensation of a finely sanded wood surface, the cool elegance of matte finishes, the rustic honesty of distressed edges. Each one tells a story. These stories become the soul of our spaces. They invite us to slow down, to touch, and to breathe deeply. When texture is thoughtfully applied, whether it be the raw honesty of unfinished wood or the softness of waxed grain, it adds dimension. It makes flat surfaces come alive. It makes space feel like home. The appeal of warm textures stems from their ability to humanize a room. Smooth concrete, polished steel, and stark glass may define ultramodern aesthetics, but it's the introduction of warmth through wood, fabrics, or earth-toned finishes that balances minimalism with soul. Picture a sleek living room defined by clean lines and muted palettes. Now, imagine a natural oak coffee table at its center. Its golden hue, imperfect knots, and soft edges break the monotony. It doesn't shout. It doesn't compete. But it grounds the room. Suddenly, the space feels more approachable, more lived in, more loved. Rich finishes work in tandem with these textures, deepening the emotional and aesthetic appeal. They allow a surface to become more than what it appears, highlighting grain, adding depth, and influencing light absorption. Whether it's satin oil that lets the natural wood breathe, or a dark stain that adds drama and maturity, finishes act like the final line of a well-crafted poem. They complete the design story. They're what turn a simple piece of furniture into an heirloom, a shelf into a statement, a wall accent into art. And herein lies the invisible door. When we bring these elements into our homes, we do more than decorate. We create mood. We create personality. We reflect our truest selves not through price tags, but through the textures we choose to surround us. Every touchable surface becomes a point of interaction between body and space. Chunky wool throw across a carved bench. A soft glow reflecting off a walnut side table. These aren't just choices of style. They are experiences, moments, sensations. In a modern world where fast production and minimal human touch dominate mass decor, the incorporation of rich, natural textures and versatile finishes stands as an act of mindfulness. It is a return to authenticity, and people are craving that return. They are moving away from glossy perfection and turning toward interiors that offer comfort, honesty, and history. This trend is not about rustic living or a rejection of modernity. It's about balance. It's about softening the sleek with the soulful. Wood, in particular, plays a starring role in this design movement. Its versatility in both function and finish makes it the quintessential material for today's decor needs. It can be light and airy or dark and grounding. It can evoke Scandinavian calm or farmhouse charm. It can blend seamlessly into a contemporary loft or serve as a bold focal point in a traditional home. More than any other material, wood evolves with its environment and with us. It ages gracefully, growing richer and more characterful with time. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. This flexibility is what makes wooden textures and finishes so universally beloved. A wooden accent wall, for example, can do more than fill a blank space. It can create a visual rhythm that unites furniture, artwork, and architecture. When finished in a soft matte, it invites the eye without demanding attention. It's functional and beautiful. It's background and highlight. In kitchen design, wooden open shelving with natural grain finish can add both charm and storage, practicality wrapped in aesthetic appeal. And the beauty of modern interior decor is that these elements aren't limited to expansive homes or elaborate budgets. Even the smallest studio can be transformed through thoughtful texture. A simple wooden ladder shelf with a soft walnut finish can hold books, plants, and personality. A single wooden frame can elevate a wall of prints. A carved hook rail by the entrance adds both function and narrative to the transitional space. These pieces speak to the notion that luxury is not always loud. It is often quiet and intentional. There's also a psychological impact to living with texture and warmth. Studies show that natural materials, especially those with tactile surfaces like wood, evoke feelings of calm and relaxation. They reconnect us with nature, anchoring our spaces in a sense of organic continuity. This biophilic effect, the idea that humans are inherently drawn to natural elements, explains why spaces with warm textures tend to feel more peaceful and restorative. And in today's high-speed world, our homes need to be places that help us heal, not just function. In terms of income potential, this aesthetic movement also opens up a wide door for creators and artisans. Consumers want more than just pretty pieces. They want pieces with a story, a process, a hand-touched soul. Craftsmen who understand the invisible power of texture and finish can build thriving businesses by offering more than products. They offer atmosphere, emotion, and meaning. Whether you are creating wood wall accents, handcrafted storage solutions, or personalized home decor, your work speaks through its textures and finishes. And buyers are listening. In essence, we decorate not just to impress, but to express. The warm textures and versatile finishes that define modern interior decor are keys to that expression. They help us build rooms that feel layered, intentional, and quietly luxurious. They transform our living environments into spaces that care for us, reflect us, and inspire us. That is the power of the invisible door. It opens not with grand gestures, but with small, soulful details that, once noticed, can never be unseen. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked invisible door design ideas to transform every living space in modern interior decor preference. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.